Just do it. I'm doing it for the YouTube. I'm doing it for y'all. Period. I'm scared as fuck. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ClaireFendy, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by TRESS Wellness. TRESS Wellness is an Amazon vendor. They sell like at-home kits, so they decided to send me the digital wax warmer. So we're going to be waxing ourselves today. I can't wait. It's going to be so scary. Okay, so just a previous knowledge about me, I waxed my punani before, and it was the worst experience of my life. I don't recommend you guys wax yourselves, like, trust me. When I got down to the lips area, it was just horrible. So if you can go to somebody to do it for you, go right ahead. This wax kit is also for your face, so ladies or gentlemen, if you guys want to wax your beard or like your facial hairs, go right ahead. But in today's video, we're going to be waxing something else. Okay, so let's just see what's in the box. So in the box, they have the peppermint package, which also smell like peppermint, which I love. They also have the tea tree, and they have the eucalyptus. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm sorry if I'm not saying it right. They also have lavender, and last but not least, they have a lemon. I really want to see if the lemon really smell like lemons, because it smells so good. They sent 5 different hard wax packages, and that is like really awesome. They also sent some wooden stick, which is like applicators. They sent the small one, which you can potentially use the small ones for like areas like your eyebrows, and the big ones for bigger areas like your private part or your underarms or your face. Also sent, this is, oh, they have a lot of stuff, like, oh my god. They also sent these. I don't know what these are. Let me see. Okay, these are paper rings. I don't know what they're for, so I'm just not going to use it. They also sent the after wax spray along with the pre-wax spray. So last but not least, they sent some gloves, which is perfect. So let's just get started. This is what the wax warmer looks like. It's on right now because I already did it, so I can just make this video super quick. It starts at 86 degrees. It starts at 86 degrees, and it goes all the way to 257 Fahrenheit. And that's like a lot. Yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take my Neutrogena Deep Clean facial wipes to remove any residue or deodorant that I have left. So I'm just gonna just take it. This is the pre-wax spray, so I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to spray my underarms with it. It smells so good. It smells like coconut oil. I'm going to take it and take the wooden stick, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick some stuff up. Oh, this is like really creamy compared to the other waxes. Let's do this. Oh, I'm so scared. We're just going to let it dry just a little bit, but don't let it dry entirely too much. And we're going to pull this off. Oh my god, y'all. This is going to be so scary. And I can already feel it. Oh my god. Let me just do it. I'm doing it for the YouTube. I'm doing it for y'all. Period. Alright, I want to call my mom to come pull this off of me. Like, I know this is gonna hurt, and I put so much. Okay, let's just do this. Ah, okay. 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 It's good when you put pressure after you've done pulling it, but it's only supposed to be one pull. So let's just end this off right. Okay, I did it. I did it. So this is how much it took off. So So this is how much it took off the first round. I didn't really have that much hair because I always wax my underarms. And this is pretty good. Pain level, I was a little scared. It do hurt, but like once it's off, it's just like real, like, you know, it just hurts when it's like in the middle. So I still have a couple hairs left, like up here, that didn't come off. So I'm just gonna clean it off. Okay, so this is kind of like messier than the other one because I feel like it's because I'm not left-handed. I'm doing my right underarm now. So this is why it looks way bigger and way messier. Hopefully it'll be more cleaner. Let it sit until it don't feel like gooey. Like I said, this wax is real flexible and real, like it holds a lot of moisture. So I'm so scared. Alright, bitch, let's go. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, add the pressure, and just like keep going. Oh, it's already clean. Okay. Ah, add pressure. Okay. Oh, pressure. Last strip, sis. I'm just gonna clean it off with a Neutrogena wipe. So this is the after. I feel like it helps reduce the hyperpigmentation I have under my arms. My underarms just be extremely dark, but waxing really just reduced it. This is what my underarms is looking like. Nice and soft and perfect. Spray it with the after wax. So it doesn't really have a smell like the first one, but it's giving oil. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I really love this wax warmer. I love the waxes. They're really like they have a lot of moisture. They don't hurt as bad as like the other hard waxes out there. So thumbs up to them. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and turn your post notification on so you guys can see every time that I post. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the last day of Vlogmas. Can you guys believe it? Like, this is so ridiculous, but I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.